We have been giving our yard a much needed redo. We have this space that we have been slowly adding plants to, but this space is huge, and with the uneven ground still, it has been difficult getting the dirt to stay in place. This edging makes all the difference. It comes on a large spool about 40 feet. It also comes with the stakes. This is flexible, and it ended up being the exact amount I needed for this space, so I didn't need to cut it. I also didn't need to bury it because of the stakes that it has, as well as I plan to add some landscape rocks over the top once I've added the plants. I laid it out, braced it with large rocks, while I went through and used my rubber mallet to add the stakes. The stakes are a lightweight design but are easy to stake down, as well as have kept the edging in its place. This took so much less time than I was expecting it to. With the current weather we have had, I have yet to add more plants to this section, but even through the rain, it has kept everything well in place. I was able to add this right over the top of the landscape fabric. The stakes were able to go through the fabric easily as well. This is the perfect height. It is subtle and makes a huge difference. It is exactly what we needed for this space, and I wish we would have had it sooner. We will definitely be getting more for other areas of our yard. We are so glad the seller gifted this to us to tell you all about. It is great, and we highly recommend it.